morning, children. So in last class we finished our second lesson. I think all of you writing class work. All of you writing class work, students. So in this class we are going to start lesson number 3. So what is lesson number 3? Our country, India. Which is our country, children? You know which is our country? Our country is India. So today we learn about our country. Lesson number 3 is our country. So you all know India is a big country. So in the population there will be a second place in India. India will stand for second place population. ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ first place ಯಾವುದಿದೆ China. After that the second place is taken by India. So India is a big country. There is a different types of peoples. There is a different types of religions. So all the people. So there is a different types of people living in India. So there is a so states, union territories, and they are ruled by governments. There are two types of governments. So that we all we learn in this lesson. So lesson number 3, our country, India. India is a big country. It is also known as Bharat. India is the 7th largest country in the world and the second largest country in Asia. It measures 3,214 km from north to south and 2,933 km from east to west. So you all know India is a very big country. So India is how our country is a big country. So what we call by another name, it is also known as Bharat. Bharat is our country means India. Bharat means India. India is the 7th largest country in the world. ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ in which place there is a in country in the 7th place. In the 7th place means 7th largest country in the world. And in the second place, Asia continent ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ country ಬಂದು second place, 7th largest country in Asia. Means in Asia continent. Asia continent ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ India ಯಾವ place ಇದೆ? It will be in second place means second largest country in Asia continent, which is called second largest country in Asia continent. Asia continent is the second largest country. Our India will be in second place. Our India is called second largest country in Asia. So what is the distance? North to south, how much is there? From north to south, it will be 3,214 kilometers. North to south, it will be 3,214 kilometers. From west to east, east to west, it will be 2,933 kilometers. So understood, children? What we call our India, it is also known as Bharat. So in the world, ಇಡೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ? It is the 7th largest country in the world. So in our continent, in our India, Asia is our continent. In our Asia continent, it will be in second place. In Asia continent, India is called as second largest country in Asia. So next is from north to south. From north to south means you all know this is north, south, west, east. So from north to south it will be 3,214 kilometers. From west to east it be 2933 kilometer. Understood children? North in the south east kilometers is 3214 kilometers. From east to west or west to east there will be 2933 kilometer. India is the second most populous country in the world. Its population is estimated as 1.37 billion according to UN data. India's neighboring countries are Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives and Sri Lanka. India has been divided into smaller units called states and union territories. There are 29 states and 7 union territories. So in population, ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಎಷ್ಟನೇ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ? In population, India is in a second place. So India is the second most populous country in the world. So in population, in which place there will be India? In population, India will be second place, second largest population in the world. So in the population which is in the second place, ಯಾವುದು second place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯಲ್ಲಿ? India is in the second place. So what we got? Second largest population in the world is India. India is called the second largest population in the world according to the UN data. UN data in the number place is 1.37 billion. 1.37 billion population is there in our country. ನಮ್ಮ country ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಜನಸಂಖ್ಯೆ? According to UN data, UN data ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ 1.37 billion. So there is a neighboring countries. What is neighboring countries means? Neighboring countries ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? What is neighboring countries means? So the countries near to our country, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕ ದೇಶ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Neighboring countries. So which are our neighboring countries means? Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives and Sri Lanka. So which are the neighboring countries? Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives and Sri Lanka. So these are our neighboring countries. So which are the neighboring countries of India children? How are the neighboring countries to India ke? Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives, Sri Lanka. So these are the neighboring countries of India. India has been divided into smaller units called states and union territories. India ಏನಾಗಿದೆ? Small units ಆಗಿ form ಆಗಿದೆ. So India is divided into small units. So that one we call states and union territories. India ನಾವು small units ಆಗಿದೆ. They are divided. So what we call that one? States and union territories. There are 29 states and 7 union territories. How many states are there children? There are 29 states. There are 29 states and 7 union territories. are there in our country? There are 29 states and 7 union territories. The national capital of our country is New Delhi. So which is our capital? Our national capital is New Delhi. Nama Rajdhani yadu? Which is our national capital of our country? Yadu nama India capital? Which is our capital? Which is the capital of our country? New Delhi is called the capital of our country. It is neither a state nor a union territory. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಯೂನಿಯನ್ ಟೆರಿಟರೀಸ್ ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. It is known as the national capital territory. What is Delhi known as? Delhi ನಾವು we not consider Delhi as state or union territories. It is called national capital territory. National capital territory. Which is the national capital territory? New Delhi is called the national capital territory. Which is the national capital territory of India? New Delhi. Which is the capital of India? That is also a New Delhi. Now New Delhi na any national capital territory anta kartivi. It is not neither a state nor a union territory. Now New Delhi na ನಾವು state anta ಕರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ, union territories anta ಕರೆಯೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So we call New Delhi as a national capital territory. The union territories are Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman, Diu, Lakshadweep Island and Puducherry. So we know that there are 29 states and 7 union territories. Now we know about which are the 7 union territories means. Which are the 7 union territories means? Union territories is Andaman Nicobar Islands. They are islands. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu and Lakshadweep Islands. Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep Islands. So these are the 7 union territories. So understood children, which are the 7 union territories? What are the 7 union territories? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Chandigarh, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, Lakshadweep Islands and Puducherry. These are the 7 union territories. So what we call our India? Our India is also known as Bharat. So it is the 7th largest country in the world and the 2nd largest country in Asia continent. Asia continent India will be in 2nd place. So north to east, south it will be 3214 kilometers. From east to west it will be 2933 kilometers. So according to the population ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶ ಯಾವ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿದೆ? In which place our country is there in population? In 2nd place. First place is China. First place ಯಾವ country ಇದೆ? China has the highest population. Means it is in the first place. In the 2nd place our India is there. So our India is divided into small units. That small units what we call? We call that as a 29 states and union territories. So how many union territories and states are there? There are 29 states and 7 union territories. So which is the capital of India means? Which is the capital of our country? Nam capital yadu? Which is our capital means? New Delhi is our capital. So it is neither a state nor a union territory. Adu state ಅಲ್ಲ, union territories ಅಲ್ಲ. So what we call New Delhi as? New Delhi is called national capital territory. So the population according to the UN data. ನಮ್ಮ UN data ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಮ್ಮ population ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 1.37 billion. According to the UN data, our population is 1.37 billion ಗೆ estimate agendre. It will be estimated to 1.37 billion. So this all we learned. Next what we learned? Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Several 7 union territories. So which are that means? Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Daman and Diu, Chandigarh, So how many states and union capital? So there how many states are there, children? There are 29 states. और प्रति states के लिए capitals ಇದೆ. ಹೇಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ನ್ಯೂ ಡೆಲ್ಲಿ. So for the states also there will be a capitals. Which are the states and capitals means first one is Andhra Pradesh. So the capital of Andhra Pradesh is Amaravati. Amaravati ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು Andhra Pradesh ನ capital. Next is Arunachal Pradesh. The capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Next is Assam. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Bihar. Bihar is a state and Patna is its capital. Fifth one is Chhattisgarh. The capital of Chhattisgarh is Raipur. So next is Goa. Goa is a state and the capital of Goa is Panaji. So which is the smallest state means Goa is the smallest state. Seventh one is Gujarat. Gujarat is the capital and Gujarat is the state and the capital of the Gujarat is Gandhinagar. Next one is Haryana. Haryana is a state. Chandigarh is its capital. So capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Next is Himachal Pradesh. The capital of Himachal Pradesh is Shimla. Next 10th one is Jammu and Kashmir. The Jammu and Kashmir is a state. The capital of that state is Srinagar. 11th one Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Next one is Karnataka. The capital of Karnataka is Bangalore. Kerala. The capital of Kerala is Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Next 15th one Maharashtra. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Next one 16th one is Manipur. Manipur is a state and the capital of Manipur is Imphal. Next Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. 18th one is Mizoram. Mizoram is a state and Aizawl is its capital. The capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Next 19th one is Nagaland. The capital of Nagaland is Kohima. 20th one Odisha. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Punjab. The capital of Punjab is Chandigarh. Next is Rajasthan. Which is the capital of Rajasthan? ಯಾವುದು ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್? ಜೈಪುರ್. Sikkim. Sikkim capital is Gangtok. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim. Tamil Nadu. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Telangana. The capital of Telangana is Hyderabad. Tripura. Tripura is a state and Agartala is its capital. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the state and Lucknow is its capital. Next one is Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Next one is West Bengal. Last one is West Bengal. The capital of West Bengal is Kolkata. So now how many states we learned, children? We learned about 29 states. So which are the 29 states? See children, once again they will tell which are the 29 states. Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. These are the names of 29 states. For 29 states also there is a capital. So the capital of how many capitals are there now? 29 capitals. For 29 states there is a 29 capitals. Next one is union territories and its capitals. Union territories. Which are the union territories? We already learnt about union territories. So which are the union territories, children? Andaman and Nicobar. second one is Chandigarh. The capital is Chandigarh only. Dhaka and Nagar Haveli. The capital of this is Silvassa. Daman and Diu. The capital is Daman. Lakshadweep Island. The capital is Kavaratti. National Capital Territory of Delhi. What we call Delhi as National Capital Territory of Delhi. The capital is Delhi only. Puducherry. It is called Puducherry. The capital of Puducherry is Puducherry only. So we learned 29 states and their capitals. And next is Union Territories and its capitals we learned. So which is the largest state, children? So there is a 29 states, you all know. So which is the largest state? Yadu largest state yadu? Rajasthan is called a largest state in the India. Which is the largest state? Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state. And the smallest state is Goa. Goa is the smallest state. So which is the largest state and smallest state of India? Rajasthan is the largest state and the Goa is a smallest state. Understood, children? What we learned in this class? study ಮಾಡಿ class ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So India is also known as Bharat. India ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? Bharat. So India is the seventh largest country in the world. ನಮ್ಮ world ಅಲ್ಲೇ India ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು seventh place ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. It is the seventh largest country in the world. In Asian continent it will be in second place. So we got second largest country in Asia continent. So from north to south it is 3214 kilometers. East to west, from east to west how many kilometers? 2933 kilometers. In population our India stands for second place in the world. So according to the UN data it is estimated to 1.37 billion. So 1.37 billion ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ population estimate ಆಗಿದೆ. So how many states and union territories are there? There are 29 states and 7 union territories. Means our India is divided into small units that we call states and states. Which are the neighboring countries of India? Means Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives and Sri Lanka. So see children, which are the neighboring countries of India? The neighboring countries of India is Afghanistan, Pakistan, Nepal, China, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives, Sri Lanka. These are the neighboring countries of India. So there are 29 states and 7 union territories. So we learned about the capitals also. So New Delhi is the capital of India. Which is the capital of India? Our national capital is New Delhi. New Delhi is not a state and it is also not a union territory. Aduna state alla union territory no alla. So aduna ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? What we call New Delhi as it will be called as national capital territory. Which is the capital of national capital territory? ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ capital? New Delhi only its capital. So there are 29 states, you all know. So which is the largest state, children? Rajasthan is called a largest state. So which is the smallest state? Goa is a smallest state. So this much we learned in this class. So in next class we will have to go for neighboring countries, governments,